Alright, so we're at this downtown in Florida, and right here we stopped by to this mall and found some air conditioners right here that I wanted to film. This is a Guardian right here. Wow, I pretty much like these. It is a straight cool unit. This is a 4-ton from 2006. Oh no, 2014, that's right. And this one looks like carrier split system. That one's really shaky right there. Wow. So many of these right here. Oh, this is a code zone. Okay. And we got 3 carrier split systems right here, and another carrier air conditioner. It looks like an infinity system. It looks like a heat pump or a straight cool unit. I'm not pretty sure. This is a 4-ton, I think, from 2008. And this one right here is off. This is really large right here. I never filmed so many carrier Gemini split systems like these. This one looks like it's from 2000. Yeah, this one's from 2000. All right. This one's pretty noisy right here. This one's from 2008. There's an Aaon right there. There's an Aaon oil products. Oh, here's the data. 2008. 2008. Alright. And that Guardian right there is from 2014. All of these are from 2008. This one, the 2014 Guardian. So, all right, guess it's over now.